Losing the fat around your midsection can be a battle. In addition to being a risk factor for several diseases, excess abdominal fat may make you feel bloated and discouraged. Luckily, several strategies have been shown to be especially effective at reducing your waist size. Dear viewers, if you dream about having a flat stomach, this video may be just what you need. In this video, we will show you how to get a flat stomach in a month at home. More importantly, for this, you don't need special equipment or even don't need to spend hours at the gym. So, please stay with us and watch the video until the end. Of course, don't forget to like and share the video. We gathered the top 4 flat belly exercises that you can do from the comfort of your own home in just 30 days. Each day you will need only 10 minutes of your time to perform these exercises, and each one should be done for the amount of time stated with a 10-second break in between. Number 1. Crunches. Lie down on your back. Bend your legs and stabilize your lower body. Cross your hands to opposite shoulders, or place them behind your ears without pulling on your neck. Lift your head and shoulder blades from the ground. Exhale as you rise. Lower, returning to your starting point. Inhale as you lower. It's best to start off with a set of 10 to 25 at a time, and add another set as you get stronger. Number 2. Plank. Start with your elbows on the floor, under your shoulders, and your forearms flat on the floor. Lift up onto your toes and keep your whole body in one straight line from heels to head. Look down at your hands and ensure your hips aren't too high or low. Hold the plank for 20 seconds to start with, building to 60 seconds, and remember to breathe. Repeat 3 times. Rotate pelvis under to reduce pressure on your lower back and to aid posture. Keep your whole body level, not arched at the waist or hips. The wider you have your feet, the more stable you are and the easier you'll find it. Number 3. Bird dog. Put your weight on your hands and toes, bending your knees to take a tabletop position, squeezing your core to keep your spine straight. Raise your left arm to reach straight forward, while simultaneously raising your right leg and stretching it straight out. Hold for a count, squeezing your core, before returning to the original position. Repeat the movement with your right arm and left leg to count 1 rep. Aim to complete 5 strong reps on each side, 10 reps total. Number 4. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position, on your hands and toes. Position your hands at about shoulder width apart from each other. Then, pull the right knee into your chest as far as you can. Switch and do the same thing with your other knee, and remember to keep your hips down. Thanks for watching the video. Please feel free to share with us in the comments which exercise is your favorite, and which one you think has helped you the most.